we were blessed by true parents, Father Moon and Mother Moon, into what we call the multicultural and international marriage blessing ceremony. That was 2010. Perfect nga because it's 10-10-10. October 10, 2010. That was our blessing ceremony. Prior to that one, for those of you who know the process, we met each other in a photo photo matching. It's a arranged wedding from our church, and I saw her first in a photo. Surprising pa yon because at the time we had our outing in IPLC at the time. After a condition, we had our outing. I was swimming, and then suddenly my leader, Sir Elgin Ibanez, told me, come here, come here. I thought I've done something wrong. And then sabi niya sa akin, you were matched. No, na-match ka na. Like that. Yon. And then I was looking, I went to HQ here, and then I look on the photo. Pinintahan ko pa yun. Unti-unti. Shoes. Feet. And then like this. But suddenly, it's on the neck. I'm about to see the, the face. Nabitawan ko yun. And then, nakaikot ako na ilang beses sa ano. I was like, oh my God, it's the face already. The face, the face, the face. That one. And then, when I open, oh my God, so beautiful. That one. So beautiful and so white. In the photo. Very good. Yeah. And so, fast forward, 2010 also, we were matched April. And then, maybe it was so fast, 2010, October, she came here in the Philippines, and then we received the blessing. I did not join the team to go to airport, so I did not saw her in the airport, but I saw her first here. Yeah, with the brown hair, red hair, and then not same color in the photo, that one. But, that one. But anyway, that's the starting point of, yun yung siguro yung first impression ko sa kanya, it's like that. But anyway, after that one, 7 years passed, and then after 7 years, we started family. So that's my version of the story. Let's hear from her naman.
That time I'm working in one company about export jewelry. And then suddenly, SQ Thailand called me that I got matched. So, can you come? I said, yes. Around, in the next 2 days, I go to SQ. And then, little by little also that I look at the picture. I didn't say anything. I think, okay. And then I know Filipino.
Looks like high school.
It's like, how to say, when you really say to God that, God, I come back. I come back already. And really make a decision that matching, blessing. I don't care anything that time. Yeah. So, I didn't question any that, who's this? Like, no, I didn't question. It just, okay. And then I pray. I do condition. Actually, SQ asked me, are you okay? I said, yes, I'm okay. But do not rush. She said like this. Family department said, just, you can answer to me. I think she gave me 21 days that time. And then suddenly, around 3 days, I didn't contact him. I just keep quiet and then pray. And then read Chon Song Hyang that time. Oh, I'm really strict. And then suddenly I open. Who add my email and messenger that time? MSN. Wow.
Skype.
MSN first.
Okay.
MSN and then Skype. Yeah.
But
who is this? And then that time that starting for Facebook already. But so hard because he stay in IPLC. So hard was it na.
Anyway, side story. During those time, you can only communicate when you load your Skype.
Yes.
So I load 500 pesos and then I call her. I think she did not yet saw my photo at that time, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I remember calling you and then H already told you that you were matched, but you still do not know who's the photo. You still did not look at the photo. I remember you're telling me that one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I saw you already.
No, that's the story. I
Okay,
remember.
okay.
I cannot forget that one. Di ba? Nagkakakalimutan na rito. Bawal yung gano'n. So, when I get the photo, after how many days, and then I called her, and then I told her, I'm Ronnie, ako yung kamatch mo, ganon. I'm your match. Sabi niya, yes, okay, I heard, we were matched, but I do not yet receive the photo. At that time, I'm so thankful na hindi niya pa nakita yung photo. It was because thesis time when they took my photo, so my eye bag is so big. And then, it's not Facebook pa at that time eh. It's, before the Facebook, there is one,
High five.
High five?
Yes, high five.
No, yeah, Friendster, yeah. Friendster at that time.
High five.
No, Friendster, mami. Friendster,
really?
believe me. Yeah. So, and I'm more handsome in Friendster, more than my matching photo. So, I'm so thankful. Yeah, that's why I could not forget that one. Side story. Okay.
And then,
The world knows na our love story.
yes. And then, not yet 21 day, I think family department contact me again. Yes, we talk already. And then, are you okay? Yes. So, no need 21 days na? Okay. Something like that. So, after that, we prepare, right?
For
prepare,
blessing.
Go to blessing. And
Supposed to be in Korea. That's everyone's dream, right? But because I'm just a poor boy. That one. So, we cannot go to Korea. So, she went here in the Philippines and we received the blessing here.
And actually, I'm really angry that time.
I know.
I'm really angry that time. And then, why like this? Why he didn't say? Because I really don't understand man culture much that time. How to say? It's not man culture. It's like man. If the man keep quiet, so something happened already. And then he didn't tell me that he cannot go to Korea. That time, almost booked, or I'm not sure that we booked already the ticket. Yeah, I'm not sure that one. So, until my auntie helped, so we can know that he cannot go. So okay. So we plan another one. So come back to Philippines. I come to Philippines, and then I asked back to family federation there, my family department there, that how many people go to Philippines? So she said 4. Oh, really? A lot. So including me, one more. So we are 5 from 5 Thai sister come here to Philippines on 2010 that time. Yes. And then when I met him, actually I'm still angry.
I know.
I'm still angry. Even until we blessing already. It's like when we meet each other, it's so hard to communicate, even though we can communicate in English already, but it's like maybe ancestor working. It's like we really opposite side to each other, right? It's like a little bit fight, not a little bit, always fighting. Yes. So that one is the first met and beginning of love story.
Beginning of fighting. 7 years fighting. At the end of that 7-year separation period, siguro strongly we felt na we are mature enough to start family on our
Yes.
own. Kaya malaking tulong yun siya.